Now let's begin showing you how to fix a Samsung charger. If you can see the model here. So, trying to make it closer. I've actually started to open it a bit earlier. I was presuming, so this is how I started with it. And this one in particular had a problem which I've met before, so seems quite easy to open. As you can see, I fixed this type of charger before, so it's only so let's get to it. Soldering iron, then if you can see this, let me check. Maybe even closer, it's even better. So let's see if I can set this better. We have a lighter here, it keeps flipping. Get it to the correct position. And so this one kept interrupting when it was charging. It didn't work properly. So after this we can test it, of course. If I have a phone here, any phone would do. Sorry for that. Phone charger, plug it in, supposed to power up and show charging. Let's leave it for a while, get the old super glue. And as you can see, it's charging. We're all done with that part. So you're just gonna have to put it back together the way it was before. Just don't put too much super glue, I guess. This was actually a backup charger. Yeah, see if it fits right how it was. If it's trying to put it back together here. As good as I can. Since this part is sticking, but I would still recommend using super glue. So this is how I do it. I put super glue on this side, not too much. Oh, that's it. And then push it back together. I usually keep the super glue side downwards, let the gravity work its charm with it. So I will keep it the super glue side downwards so it doesn't enter the electrical circuits. So that's pretty much it. You fixed your charger issue. Maybe if it broke from a different point, you can just open it up and connect it. And this is an older model charger, so for new models you need bigger, actually same voltage but more amperes, but yeah, in case you need an extra one, in case you already bought a new one, I still think this is a cheap and easy solution. Thank you for watching. Bye.